Hello, magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Good morning everybody. Now we are here on John H Coulter Park, 75 Eagle near DR. So right now it's around 7:25 a.m. here in Winnipeg, Canada. So I see a lot of doctor coming from other street crossing. Okay. Oh my, look at the dock. They are coming from other street. This is like a subdivision in Canada, but how many is this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Not duck, but a goose, a geese. Lots. They are marching and going to the John Courier Park, 75 Eagle Mer. When you go to the Google map and type the 75 Eagle near Doctor, you can see this area. Just like a ordinary person, they're traveling and walking to the paid walk. And they going there. There's like a lake. This is like an exclusive place, like a subdivision. Oh, a lot of geese here. What I said, during winter, these geese are going to South America, and during summer like this, they going back to the Canada and migrated here. So what is this place? This is John Courier Park. This park has been named in honor of John Courier, 1889 to 1941, who operated a commercial market carried on this park and neighboring land. Their two sons continued this operation until the property was sold in 1978. Oh, okay, binenta tong property na to. John had a true love for his community and contributed to its many ways. He sat on the council of the rural municipality of North Kildonan from its insertion, and John and Elisa marketed their produce locally, won many marches at fair as far away and the Royal Winter Fair in Toronto, and they developed a new variety of renumber was registered under the name of Courier. Coulter, parang ano siya. Wow, look at this place. So many goose here. So it's around 100 plus. And the houses here are extraordinary, so big. Almost up to third floor. Warning, this water is not safe for swimming, wading, or drinking. Keep your pets out of the water and do not use the water for watering your lawn. Please do not eat the fish. Use proper boats and dump the little of throw stone. So you can. It's a warning here. Look at that. It's a nice place. It's like an exclusive subdivision. Oh, look at this geese coming from us, going to us. Oh, going to in my way. Look, very friendly, eh? This geese is the one who migrated in Winnipeg, Canada. Black neck, a long black neck, and a black feet. Look at that. Okay, thank you for watching.